Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. So weekly we are making a bullish candle. So I'm just doing this analysis because not many people trade USDCHF. We know that, okay? I know you're not gonna take trade. I don't take trades in USDCHF either. Okay, so I'm just doing the analysis. Otherwise, nobody actually trades USDCHF. Okay. But this is your daily chart. So there, daily, this looks like this looks like the uptrend to me. So for new pullback, new high, maybe this is your new downtrend. USDCHF is kind of a useless pair. Okay, so coming back to 4 hour here, we are consolidating, right? So technically, you have no direction. Avoid USDCHF right now, because coming back to daily chart, you see this low is broken. So this is your new. As for the theory, as per the textbook, new downtrend, pullback, new low. But dollar might be in the uptrend, because when I have done analysis for USD CAD, I was telling you that look for longs. Okay, so technically US dollar is supposed to go up, but CHF is a strong currency, so it will not be easy for dollar to dominate CHF. Okay, so avoid the USD CHF. All right, this was your bullish hammer, then we went up, then we are getting a rejection from the EMA, and then this is just bullshit. Okay, so you see this candle here, this is your bearish hammer, but then we have a this Christmas cross. Okay, this is your Christ cross, right? So it's useless. Don't trade USD CHF. There's not much movement. Okay, and to be very honest, don't even trade dollar pairs in these times. Okay, you have to adapt as per the market if you want to survive for long term. And you need to know what's happening around the world, who is bombing whom. You need to know, economy and currency and, politics. You need to know who's bombing whom and how stable the economy are of those countries. Okay. So I guess that's it for USD CHF. Don't trade USD CHF. Go and watch my other analysis, and you will have too many opportunities. Otherwise, you can join my Telegram, where I send these screenshots for non-USD pairs which I trade. Okay. So subscribe, like, and do all of that we discussed in the beginning, and I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.